Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Pad Air to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and click on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can choose Not Now if you want to, then close it by hitting OK. Following that, select Send at the bottom on the left on your Oppo. Over here. Then click on Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Oppo Tablet. On it, you need to choose all of those categories at the top, and in them click on those type of dots to select multiple files from your category. You can also just click on the chosen ones instead. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan the QR code, click on this scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then, to allow camera access, select while using the app or only this time. And lastly, point your device's camera at the code. In order to enter this key though, tap on Input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then tap on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!